Hello students, I am Bharti Shinde working as a lecturer in Praveen Patil Polytechnic College. In this video, we will see third chapter of engineering drawing section of solids. Let us take one example. A square prism of 50 mm side of base and 80 mm height is resting on its base on HP with all sides of base making equal angle with VP. It is cut by a section plane normal to VP and passing through left bottom corner and top right corner of elevation. Square prism side is given as 50 mm and is resting on its base on HP. So we will draw the square prism in HP with all sides of base making equal angle with VP. So first of all, draw horizontal line XY. Give name to this line as X and Y. Now draw one vertical line and take any point on this line. From this point we will draw a square of 50 mm side. So draw a horizontal line from this point and measure 45 degree on both the sides. And here 45. Now side 50 mm is given. I will take half projection, that is 25 on this line. Same, I will draw 25 on this 45 degree line. So this is also 25. Then take 25 distance in rounder and draw a arc on this vertical line. Now this is the fourth point of square. Now join these points. And give name to these points as point A, B, C and D. Now draw a line joining these 2 points like this and give name to this center point as point P. Now height is given as 80 mm. As we have taken half projections, so I will take 40 height. So take projections of these points and measure 40 height. Now draw the horizontal line and complete the front view. Now give names to this front view as this is D dash, D dash, B dash, B dash, A dash, C dash, here also A dash, C dash, and this is center point, point P. Now axis is given as the plane normal to, it is cut by a section plane normal to VP and passing through left bottom corner and top right corner. So section plane we have to draw. Left bottom corner is point D dash and right top right corner means point B dash. So draw the section plane cutting these 2 points. So like this. So this is the section plane. I will give name here. So this is VP and this is HP. So section plane we have drawn. Give name to this plane as section plane. Now give name to this point as point, this is center P. So P dash AC, P dash AC, as 2 points are there. So P dash AC. Now top view already we have drawn and section plane also completed. So section plane covers entire top view. See this point covers this last point D or left point D, then this is center and this B dash end covers this point B or right side of top view. So entire top view covers. So I will draw sectional top view. So do hatching like this. Keep same distance between 2 lines. So this is the sectional top view. Give here name sectional top view. Now draw a x1 y1 line parallel to section plane. So this is line x1 y1. Now section plane cuts these 3 points, so draw perpendicular from these points. I have drawn perpendicular from P point. And now draw from point B dash and from point D dash. I will extend lines like this. Now take distance from xy line up to point A. So from xy line measure distance A and take projection of AC or A, that is this line, and mark point here which is a point A. Then measure distance of point C from xy line. So from xy line take distance of point C and mark a arc. Then same take distance of point D from xy line and draw a arc from projection of a line which is passing through point D dash. Same distance is from of point B from xy line. So draw a arc from this line. Now we have got all the 4 points. Join all these points. So this is the true shape. Give names to all the points. So this is point D, this is point B, this is point PA and PC. A point this, so PA, this is point PC and PA is this point, A point, so this is point PA. You can give same name here as this is point A and PA, C and PC. And now draw hatching to this true shape. So this is the true shape. Right here true shape. Now do the hatching to this true shape. Like this. Now we have completed true shape sectional top view and front view. Give name to this view as front view. And dimension of this side of a square which is a 50. So axis height 80, eight zero, so in this way we have completed front view, sectional top view and true shape of a square prism.